Hello friends, welcome to a new lecture of hematology series. In today's video, we will be discussing about the various type of blood cells, their morphology and their functions. If you are new in the video, keep watching till the end. If this video is helpful to you, then like, share and subscribe. Blood. It is basically connective tissue which is fluid in nature. It is called as the fluid of life as it carries oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body and carbon dioxide from all parts of the body to the lungs. The color is red due to the presence of hemoglobin. Its volume in case of newborn 450 ml, in case of normal male 5 liter, in case of female 4.5 liter. Its pH is 7.4, which is slightly alkaline. Its specific gravity is 1.052 to 1.061. Then difference between plasma and serum. Plasma is the straw color liquid component of the blood. It contains 90 to 92% of water and 8 to 9% of solids. These solids are the organic and inorganic substances. The removal of coagulation factors from plasma leaves a fluid similar to interstitial fluid known as serum. Then serum. Within 45 minutes of clot formation, the serum oozes out the clot. It is different from plasma by only the action of fibrinogen. Serum is equal to plasma minus fibrinogen. That means we get the serum in case of clotted blood. In case of anticoagulated blood, we get the plasma. In case of plain vial or serum separator tube, we get the serum from the clotted blood. If we centrifuge the clotted blood, then we get the serum at the top. But in case of anticoagulant vial, that means in citrate vial or EDTA vial, sodium heparin vial, if we centrifuge it, we get the plasma part at the top and the cell part at the bottom. Then function of blood. There are various functions of blood including nutrient supply, that means nutrient supply through the blood to the organs, then respiratory function, that means oxygen and carbon dioxide gases exchange, then excretory functions, the waste products from the tissue go to the kidney and the filtration occurs and through which metabolic products removed from our body through the urine. Then transport of hormones and enzymes to the target organs, then regulation of acid-base balance, then regulation of body temperature, defense mechanism by the macrophage WBC cells. Red blood cell, also called as erythrocytes, they are non-nucleated formed element of the blood. They are red in color due to the hemoglobin. In case of male, they are 5 millions per cubic mm, but in case of female, 4.5 millions per cubic mm. Normally, it is biconcave disc shape. Its central portion is paler or central portion is thinner and the outer portion is thicker. Its diameter is about 7.2 micrometer. At the periphery, that means at the edge areas, here is 2 to 2.2 micrometer, and at the center it is 1 micrometer, means at the center here. The average lifespan is 120 days. Then the erythropoiesis is the process of origin, maturation and development of erythrocyte. Then functions of RBC. RBC's functions are similar to that of blood. Transport of oxygen from lungs to the tissues as the oxyhemoglobin and transport of carbon dioxide from the tissue as carbohemoglobin. Then carries blood group antigens like antigen A, B that help in the determination of the blood groups. Maintain blood viscosity, regular blood pressure, removal of waste products, provide nutrients to all the organs through the bloodstream. Then hemoglobin. It is composed of The protein globin is polypeptide in nature and the pigment heme. Then the hemoglobin has the ability to combine with oxygen due to the 4 iron atoms associated with each heme group within the molecule. A heme group consists of an iron held in the heterocyclic ring known as porphyrin. This porphyrin ring consists of 4 chiral molecules cyclically linked together by methane bridge, which is with the iron bound in the center. Each hemoglobin molecule carries 4 molecules of oxygen. Then each gram of hemoglobin carries 1.3 ml of oxygen. At the time of birth in infants growing children, the RBC count is more and the hemoglobin content is also more. In case of adult male, 14 to 16 gram percentage. In case of female, 12 to 14.5 gram percentage. Then white blood cells. It also known as leukocytes or WBC cells. These are colorless and nucleated forms element of blood, comparatively large in size and number. Their play is the defense mechanism of the body. There are 4 types of WBC cells. They are neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, monocyte, and lymphocyte. Total leukocyte count is 4,000 to 11,000 cells per microliter. Types of white blood cells. Then it is classified into 2 types. First is granulocyte and second is agranulocyte. Again, granulocyte is classified into 3 types, that is neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophil. And also the agranulocyte differentiated into 2 types, that is monocyte and lymphocyte. And the lymphocyte again classified into 3 types, that is B lymphocyte, T lymphocyte, and natural killer cell or NK cells. Neutrophils. They are also known as polymorphs and about 60 to 70% of total WBCs. Nucleus is multilobed, that is 3 to 5 lobes with the Leishman stain. Their granules appears as violet in color. Its diameter is 10 to 12 micrometer. They are phagocytic in nature. Along the monocyte, neutrophils provide the first line of defense. Increase of neutrophil in our body called the neutrophilia and decreases is called the neutropenia. Here is a microscopic view of the neutrophils, that is about 2 to 3 lobes. Then eosinophils, coarse and large granules that stands pink with eosin. It is about 2 to 6% of total WBCs. Nucleus is bilobed, that is spectacle shaped or headphone shaped nucleus. Its diameter is 10 to 14 micrometer. It provides defense mechanism against the parasitic infection or allergic condition. It is responsible for detoxification, disintegration, and the removal of foreign proteins. The condition of increasing the number is called eosinophilia, which is in case of parasitic infections. Here is the microscopic picture of eosinophil, that is, it is like a headphone shape or spectacle shape, which is bilobed nucleus. Then basophil. It is about 0.5 to 1% of total WBCs. It stands purple blue with methyl blue. Nucleus is bilobed. It is not seen due to the so many granules. Its diameter is 8 to 10 micrometer. These play an important role in the healing process and the acute hypersensitivity reaction. The basophils execute functions by the releasing important substances from the granules such as heparin, histamine, and myeloperoxidase. Here is the microscopic picture of the basophil, which contains so many granules. Then monocyte. Its diameter is 14 to 18 micrometer and it is about 2 to 4% of total WBCs. The nucleus is oval and bean shaped or kidney shaped. large numbers of cytoplasm seen. These are the largest cell of total WBCs. As like neutrophils, they are motile and phagocytic in nature. These are act by secreting substances like interleukin, colony stimulating factor, and platelet activating factor. Here is the microscopic view of the monocyte, which is kidney-shaped nucleus. Lymphocytes, it is about 20 to 40% of total WBCs. Nucleus occupies whole of the cytoplasm. Only a rim of cytoplasm may be seen. Depending upon the size, they are divided into two types, that is small lymphocyte and large lymphocyte. Large lymphocyte is younger cell that is measures 10 to 12 micrometer, and the small lymphocyte is older cell which is measures 7 to 10 micrometer. Depending upon the functions, they are further divided into two types. First is T lymphocyte and second is B lymphocyte. T lymphocytes connected with the cellular immunity and the B lymphocyte connected with the hormonal immunity. These are the responsible for the development of immunity power of the body. Then platelets. These are also called as thrombocytes. Thrombocytes are the fragments of megakaryocytes. That means the platelets are derived from the megakaryocytes from the bone marrow. The cytoplasm is present but do not have a nucleus. They have cell membrane with microtubules below it. These are 2 to 3 micrometer in diameter. The normal length in the blood is about 1.5 lakhs to 4 lakhs per cubic mm of blood. Their circulation is about 8 to 12 days. The lifespan is 8 to 12 days. The condition of increasing in number is called thrombocytosis and the decrease is called thrombocytopenia. We hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions regarding this topic, then comment below for further interaction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more educational videos.